You may be in a big city or driving down a country lane, yeah. Working two jobs to make a living, and all you do is complain. Well, you should be thankful of what you got. Yes, you should be thankful of all you got.
Hello.
Waking up in the morning, seeing the sunrise. Well, it's enough to see. I thank you, Lord. Rolling over, seeing my baby's eyes. It's enough to see. I thank you, Lord. I just want to say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, Lord. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, Lord. Be thankful of what you got. You know you should be thankful.
Oh yeah.
All you
Oh
got.
yeah. Woo!
You may live in the valley, you may live on the highest hill. Some people say you don't do nothing but take the doctor's pills. You may be in a nursery, in a classroom, driving your big fat car.
That's
And things take you afar. Laying out in the sun, or just working on the run. Oh, you should be thankful of what you got. I know you should be thankful. Oh yeah, of all you got.
Bro, what do you got going on over there?
I put the mushrooms on.
That's Thanksgiving dedication, bro.
You know, because it's directly on the grill,
Yeah.
I wanted to put a little water so it cooks better.
You're the chef, bro, not me.
I don't want them to burn.
I see it right here. There he is. Hi, Santa.
Gendon, Santa Claus, Gendon!
To no place to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
From Coney Island to the Sunset Strip, somebody's gonna make a happy trip tonight while the moon is bright. He's gonna have a bag of crazy toys to give the corners of the girls and boys. So day Santa comes on day. You come a-calling when the snow's the most, when all your cats are sleeping warm as toast, and you gonna flip with old Saint Nick and raise a lick on a peppermint stick. You come a-flying from a higher place and fill the stocking by the fireplace. So you have a you that's good.
What do you think?
Sunset Strip. Somebody's gonna make a happy trip tonight while the moon is bright.
Everyone, we just want to thank you all for coming here, and we thank God for every one of you guys. And Thanksgiving wouldn't be the same without you. And we love doing this every year, and we're very blessed to have you all.
Thanks for having us.
Thank you for having us.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.
Amen.
From Coney Island to the Sunset Strip, somebody's gonna make a happy trip tonight while the moon is bright. He's gonna have a bag of crazy toys to give the corners of the girls and boys so day Santa comes on big. He'll come a calling when the snow's the most, when all your cats are sleeping warm as toast, and you gonna flip with old Saint Nick and raise a lick on a peppermint stick. He'll come flying from a higher place and fill the stocking by the fireplace. So you, ever you that